Are we staring down the barrel of another crypto bubble? KASPA, KAS, is flashing warning signals, with bubble risk climbing into dangerous territory. But what does this mean for its price and your portfolio? Stick around, this could change how you approach the market. Welcome back to Crypto World, the place where we decode the chaos of crypto and help you navigate the market with confidence. Today, we're diving deep into KASPA, KAS, a project that's been making waves with its growth but now finds itself on thin ice as bubble risk rises. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just crypto curious, you'll want to hear this. By the end of this video, you'll understand why KASPA is facing these risks, what it means for its future, and how you can make smarter decisions in this volatile market. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights that could change your financial game. Here's the catch: KASPA's bubble risk has shifted from blue, safe, zones to yellow and green, warning, zones. What happens next could determine whether the coin rallies to new highs or plunges into correction territory. Want to know the signs of overheating and how to prepare? Let's get started. KASPA has been one of the most explosive cryptocurrencies of recent years, boasting an incredible 2,329.46% growth since its launch. That's the kind of number that turns heads. But with great growth comes great volatility. Recently, we've seen signs that the market is overheating, with KASPA's risk level indicators shifting into the yellow zone. This change suggests that the market may be heading for a correction. Why? Because every time KASPA's risk level touched the red zone in the past, sharp corrections followed. It's a pattern worth paying attention to. Now, let's pause for a second. Can we take a moment to appreciate the irony here? Crypto enthusiasts always scream to the moon, but then get shocked when the rocket overheats. It's like running up 10 flights of stairs and wondering why you're out of breath. KASPA's wild growth is impressive, but even rockets need cool-down phases, right? The bubble risk indicator is like a weather forecast for crypto markets. Blue zones mean calm conditions, yellow zones mean caution, and red zones signal stormy weather. Right now, KASPA is hovering in the yellow and green zones, not quite a full-blown storm but far from calm seas. Historically, these levels precede periods of heightened volatility, which often result in corrections. For traders and investors, this means it's time to tread carefully. Let's be honest here, if you're seeing yellow and thinking nah, it's fine, you're probably the kind of person who speeds through yellow lights. And you know how that ends, right? So, unless you enjoy learning financial lessons the hard way, pay attention to these signals. Over the past few weeks, KASPA's price movements have been consolidating at recent highs. This is typically a sign of price stability. But when paired with rising bubble risk, it paints a different picture. It suggests that the market may be gearing up for a correction. KASPA's history shows cyclical trends, sharp run-ups followed by equally sharp pullbacks. If history repeats itself, we could see a significant price correction soon. This reminds me of crypto Twitter during a bull run. Everyone's suddenly a trading guru, yelling, "Buy the dip," while secretly panicking because they went all in at the top. Don't be that person. Keep your emotions in check, and let's analyze this with some common sense. Looking at the KAS/BTC pair, we're seeing mixed performance. KASPA has declined by 6.41% in the past 10 days and by 15.50% in the last month. On the flip side, it has spiked by 11.21% over the past year, showcasing its resilience in the long term. Despite recent pullbacks, KASPA's long-term growth remains impressive, making it a contender for future gains. But here's the twist: short-term volatility could disrupt the market, creating opportunities and risks for traders. With the pair currently sitting at 0.00001548 BTC, analysts are closely watching for signs of stabilization or further decline. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't this just crypto doing crypto things? And yes, it is. But here's the thing: understanding these patterns separates the gamblers from the investors. So, if you're serious about this game, you'll want to keep an eye on these developments. If you're finding this analysis helpful, now's the perfect time to smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto World. By doing so, you're joining a community that keeps you informed, prepared, and ahead of the game. Don't miss out, hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Seriously, it's free, and it helps us bring you content that'll save you from making costly mistakes. KASPA is currently 41.61% below its all-time high, ATH. While that might sound alarming, it's actually a relatively mild drawdown compared to its history. In previous cycles, KASPA has experienced corrections of over 50%, only to rebound with renewed investor confidence. This resilience is a testament to the project's long-term potential. However, it's crucial to recognize that these drawdowns are part of a larger cyclical trend. Each dip has been followed by an attempt to reclaim previous highs, suggesting that KASPA's investors see these corrections as buying opportunities rather than reasons to panic. Look, I'm not saying you should go all in every time there's a dip, this isn't blackjack. But historically, those who stayed patient and didn't panic sell during these drawdowns were the ones who came out ahead. So, take a deep breath and think long term. The mixed performance of KASPA's price action reflects the broader market sentiment, cautious optimism tempered by volatility. As the network continues to grow and attract attention, investors remain excited about its long-term potential. However, traders should prepare for short-term volatility, especially as bubble risk indicators climb. Analysts will be watching closely to see whether KASPA can stabilize and start another upward trend, or if it will face further corrections in the coming weeks. By the way, if you're one of those people who checks the price every 5 minutes, maybe step away from the charts for a bit. Go touch some grass or, I don't know, call your mom. The market isn't going anywhere, and neither is KASPA's long-term potential. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're holding KASPA, now is the time to reassess your strategy. Are you in it for the long haul, or are you looking to capitalize on short-term price movements? Either way, understanding the risks is key. As KASPA navigates its next leg of market activity, traders and investors must be vigilant, keeping a close eye on risk levels, price movements, and broader market trends. Remember, this is not financial advice, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let me break it down, crypto isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. So, if you believe in KASPA's fundamentals, stick to your plan. And if you're just here for the memes and moonshots, well, good luck, you're going to need it. Thank you for tuning in to today's deep dive into KASPA and its rising bubble risk. Your support keeps this channel going, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video to help us reach more crypto enthusiasts like you. Got thoughts on KASPA? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your take. And if you're hungry for more crypto insights, check out our other videos on the hottest trends and latest analysis. Until next time, stay informed, stay cautious, and stay ahead in the crypto game.